Here's a question we get asked all the time. I'm already posting on social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Facebook. So why should I be investing in Meta ads? After helping over 250 activity centers transform their marketing over the past decade, Disruptive has discovered something interesting. Most centers are missing out on over 70% of their potential customers by relying solely on organic reach. In this video, I'm going to show you why Facebook ads are essential for growing your activity center in 2025 and exactly how to start with just $15 to $25 a day. We'll break down the key differences between what's a boosted post and a strategic ads and reveal our Amplify method that's helped hundreds of activity centers achieve predictable growth. But first, let me share something surprising. According to our latest research, 30% of parents discover local activities through Facebook and Instagram ads. Yet most centers are relying solely on word of mouth and organic posts. Let me show you why that is about to change. Let's start with what makes Facebook ads and Instagram ads so powerful for kids' activity centers. When you're using them correctly, you're not just throwing money at random posts. You are strategically reaching parents in your area. And if you're thinking, my competitors aren't running ads, so why should I? That's exactly why you should be running them. You'll get maximum visibility while they stay invisible. You'll own the space before they even show up. Even if you're the only activity center in your town, remember, you're not just competing with other centers or advertising. You are getting the attention of your community. With Meta ads, you can reach parents who aren't already looking for your specific activity, but are open to a fun, healthy activities for their children. We've developed the Amplify method specifically for activity centers like yours. Gymnastics club, dance studios, swim schools, those things and above, to generate predictable enrollment growth without burning out or constantly throwing everything and anything like the kitchen sink for new ideas each month to boost revenue. The Amplify method is the proven strategy we use to help kids' activity centers become the go-to name in their community. It's built on two simple principles: being seen everywhere parents are spending time, primarily Facebook, Instagram, and Google, and making it easy to connect in ways they prefer, whether they phone call, text, message, walk in, or call you. Let's do a scenario. Let's talk about Bob, Ann, and Sue. Bob wants to call. He hates contact forms. Ann wants to text message. She works during the day and she really can't take a phone call. Sue wants to stop in person, almost kind of catch you off guard and see how the environment is on a day-to-day basis. Your ads and your website should cater to all of them and give them a clear path to take an action. The Amplify method works because we give parents multiple ways and easy ways to take the next step. When your ad shows up in the right places, it makes it effortless for parents to connect however they prefer. And you start getting consistent inquiries and enrollments. Remember, success with Meta ads isn't just about getting clicks. It's about generating quality inquiries that convert into long-term students. The landscape of digital marketing is rapidly changing, and Meta ads have become an essential tool for growing your activity center. With the right strategy and a modest budget of $15 to $25 a day, you can reach local families who are actively looking for something for their kids. By implementing our Amplify method and focusing on strategic targeting, you can transform your center's enrollment numbers and create predictable growth. Want to learn more about growing your activity center? Watch our next video and where we will reveal the exact follow-up system that helps our clients convert leads into long-term loyal families. Click on the video screen to learn more now.